Public ground, Skyhawk 820 Juliet Alpha is at the tie downs, ready to taxi VFR to the southwest.
Skyhawk 820 Juliet Alpha, Republic ground. Right turn southwest on request, runway 19er, taxi via Alpha Alpha 2, cross 14 to Charlie.
Alpha Alpha 2, cross 14 to Charlie, we have X-ray 0 Juliet Alpha.
Republic ground, Alpha State is Echo Ramp, ready to taxi with information X-ray and touch and goes around crest.
Farmingdale State 88, Republic ground, touch and goes around request, runway 19, taxi via Alpha Alpha 2, cross 14 to Charlie.
Alpha Alpha 2, cross 142 Charlie, from State 88.
Public ground, Cessna 94138, request taxi to runway 19 with information X-ray for one lap around the pattern.
Cessna 941.
Cessna 0 Alpha, if you don't have room, let me know.
0 Juliet Alpha, we got room, we're good.
Okay, Cessna 0 Alpha, runway 19, clear for takeoff, southwestbound is approved.
Clear for takeoff, 19er, southwest approved, 0 Juliet Alpha. All right, here we go.
Public Tower, Cherokee, November 600 Papa Foxtrot. We're inbound at Cap C with X-ray.
Cherokee 600 Papa Fox, Republic Tower, left downwind, runway 19, stay your altitude.
So left downwind for runway 1900 Papa Foxtrot.
Cherokee 0 Papa Fox, what's your altitude?
My altitude is 1,100 feet.
Thank you.
Airspeed's alive.
Ventura 5, runway 19, cleared for takeoff, left downwind is approved.
Clear for takeoff, runway 19, left downwind for Ventura 5.
Cherokee 6 Victor Alpha, did you set your base turn yet or not yet?
Turning base now, 96 Victor Alpha.
Can you go back into the downwind 6 Victor Alpha and turn your base about 1 mile north of the expressway?
Yep, turning base about 1 mile north of the expressway, 96 Victor Alpha.
Thank you for your help, 6 Victor Alpha. I have multiple departures that I need to get out. Cherokee 566, turn your base 1 mile north of the expressway.
Okay, we'll turn base north of the expressway 566.
Cessna 605, continue in the downwind.
In the downwind, you follow base 65.
Public Tower, Cessna 94138, holding short on Bravo for runway 19.
Cessna 94138, Republic Tower, runway 19 are cleared for takeoff. Make right traffic.
Clear for takeoff, right traffic 94138.
No delay on the roll, 138 traffic at the Cherokee Mall final.
Roger.
Cherokee 5771, departure Cessna, runway 19 are clear, touch and go.
North at Wendy's, can I have the microwave route inbound, please? Clear touch and go 195.
Runway 19 are clear, touch and go, 1 departure Cessna.
Touch and go 577.
And who was that calling tower inbound?
Tower helicopter 272 Delta Whiskey from Wendy's 5 North with X-ray. If I can have microwave route inbound, please.
Helicopter 272 Delta Whiskey, Product Tower. You can proceed inbound via the microwave route out of below 600. I have multiple aircraft on the right downwind for runway 19.
You'd be looking at microwave route to Delta Whiskey. Republic Tower, Warrior 138 Delta Charlie, 1,500 feet over the Captree Bridge, inbound with a full stop. I have X-ray.
Warrior 138 Delta Charlie, Republic Tower, straight in runway 19, report over the mall.
I'm over the Captree Bridge, 8 Delta Charlie.
Roger, Delta Charlie, sorry about that. Enter left downwind runway 19.
Left down ramp for runway 19, 8 Delta Charlie.
November 8 Delta Charlie, you are following a Cherokee that's at your 12 to 1 o'clock, about 2 miles, 1,100 mid-bay. He's also coming into the left downwind.
8 Delta Charlie, looking for that traffic and we'll follow him down into the left downwind. Republic Tower, Farmer State 88.
All right, 125.25, that is the right frequency. All right, let's go ahead and dial this thing back to 500 feet.
Beautiful up here.
It is.
You done any flying next to the ocean?
Say what?
Is this your first time flying next to the ocean?
Yeah, it is actually.
Cool.
Let's give old Kennedy Tower a call, see if they can accommodate us. Kennedy Tower, Skyhawk 820 Juliet Alpha is off of Farmingdale with a request.
If you're VFR calling Kennedy Tower, please call Tower 1191.
1191. 1191. Definitely a New York controller.
Code 4247, contact New York departure.
Contact departure for your 4247.
Talking 571, runway
Same
22
controller.
right, wind 220 at 4, clear for takeoff.
That's all right, clear for takeoff, TAC 571.
4210 Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
22 right, line up away, Mercury 4210.
Kennedy Tower, Skyhawk 820 Juliet Alpha, off of Farmingdale VFR with a request.
Skyhawk 820 Juliet Alpha, Kennedy Tower. Squawk 0332, say request.
Squawk 0332, and we'd like to transition along the south beaches at 500.
Delta 481, wind 220 at 4, runway 31 left, Kilo Echo, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 31 left, Kilo Echo, intersection Delta 481.
Juliet Alpha, your radar contact, 3 miles west of Jones Beach Monument at 700 feet. Kennedy altimeter is 3018. You can proceed westbound below the floor class Bravo airspace along the shoreline. All types are overhead. Use caution, wake turbulence, departing 22 right to the southeast and west.
0 Juliet Alpha cleared, transition, we'll stay at 500 feet below the Bravo.
And 0 Juliet Alpha, would you like a handoff on the west side of the area?
That's affirmative. We're going to do the Skyline route, so yeah, hand off to Newark would be great. 0 Juliet Alpha.
Roger. 0 Juliet Alpha, you can climb at or below 1,400, cleared into class Bravo.
Climb at or below 1,400, cleared into the Bravo. 0 Juliet Alpha.
Mercury 4200, contact near departure.
Departure, good day, 4200.
Good day, JetBlue 1835, runway 22 right, wind 240 clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 22 right, JetBlue 1835.
JetBlue 1537, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 22 right, JetBlue 1537.
American 2493 Heavy, taxi Juliet, hold short, runway 22 right.
Juliet, short at 22 right, American 2493 Heavy.
Yeah, so we just passed the departure. All right, so there's the Verrazano Bridge way out in the distance.
Newark Tower, Centurion 59210, coming out of Morristown Aerospace, space 2000, Twin Lakes, Statue of Liberty.
Holy shit, dude.
Number 59210 Newark Tower, radar contact, level miles northwest of Newark Airport, 2000, cleared to class Bravo airspace. Open the runway 22 numbers at 2000, and you just want to do a circle around the statue and head back?
If I can do one circle, right turn around the statue, northbound Hudson River, up to Sky Acres, 44 November.
What's the destination?
44 November.
November 210, roger. 0 Juliet Alpha, traffic at the Highland Tunnel, southbound, altitude indicates 1000.
0 Juliet Alpha, looking where the hell the Highland Tunnel is. It's just past the Trade Center. Changes.
Traffic.
Yeah, I got him. All right, so there he is. I don't see him. Gonna pass kind of 0 Juliet Alpha traffic in sight.
0 Juliet Alpha, over.
Newark November 753 Bravo, we're maintaining 2000
right below us, like 500 feet.
210, say request.
753 Bravo, I'd like to just go down to
Traffic.
the Verrazano Bridge, and then we'll turn right direct to Linden.
Verify that was Cessna 210.
Negative. Centurion 59210, no request. We didn't say anything.
Roger. Number 753, Bravo, Newark Tower, Newark altimeter 3015, and just understand you want to go to the VZ, then head towards Linden.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, we're 2000 down to the VZ, then right turn direct to Linden, 753 Bravo.
Traffic.
Number 753, Bravo, proceed towards the VZ, maintain 2000. Traffic, Highland Tunnel northbound is Cessna 172 at 1500.
Yeah, negative contact on him, and we'll maintain 2,000 down on the bridge.
I'm 753 Bravo Roger. You can expect the BZ then south and east of the bay on for London.
Roger.
Skyhawk 820 Juliet, Alpha contact, LaGuardia Tower 126.05. How we going?
2605 is 0 Juliet Alpha, see you.
I'm 7.
LaGuardia Tower, Skyhawk 820 Juliet Alpha, Highland Tower 1500.
Skyhawk 820 Juliet Alpha,
Traffic.
LaGuardia Tower, northbound Hudson River to the GW Bridge, and maintain 1,500. Any intentions after?
Traffic.
0 Juliet Alpha would like to continue VFR
Traffic.
To the Alpine Tower.
Okay, Roger. 0
Traffic.
Skyhawk 0 Juliet Alpha, just continue northbound Hudson River and maintain 1,500. The altitude is 3015.
We'll continue northbound 0 Juliet Alpha. Been fun yet? Loads. That is incredible. Don't look now, but when you get a chance, look at all the other traffic dots out there. 1, 2,
Traffic.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Coming up near our apartment.
Yep. Well, see if you can see it. All right, there's another helicopter.
Here we are. Can't really make out the building now unless you know what you're looking for, but it's over there.
Do you see it? Did?
Row 5 is that little brick tower with the castle there, and then we're up 2 streets there.
Okay, cool.
The church on the corner, remember that?
Yeah.
So we're in that little blob there between the next street.
Okay. I'll take your word. I don't think I could see far enough down on that side to catch it. But there's so many buildings here anyway. That would be Yankee Stadium.
There it is. That's cool. Yeah, there's the GW.
Yep. If the Yankees are playing, there's a temporary flight restriction that encompasses this area, and they'll turn us out to the left.
That makes sense.
At least it worked long enough for us to do the Skyline with it. Hello, Long Island Sound.
And 0 Juliet Alpha, the next control says they're a little too busy to work at this time, so you're just going to have to remain outside of the Class Bravo.
We'll remain outside the Class Bravo. Any chance we could go around it to Republic?
Yeah, 0 Juliet Alpha. If you had about 10 or 20 degrees to your left, you'll be out of the Bravo. And you can stay with me for now. I'll hold on to you as long as I can.
All right, we'll go about 20 degrees left and head out 0 Juliet Alpha.
At 59210, just to let you know, we're going to go up to 2,500.
Number 210, Roger, approves as requested.
We're about to be out of the Bravo airspace and we can head back to Firmingdale. And the autopilot just got its act back together. Let's see if it works. Hey, look at that, it does.
New York, Gulfstream 403, Quebec Sierra, 6,000 feet.
Gotcha, 403, Quebec Sierra, New York, departure, Westchester, altimeter 3015.
3015, 403, Quebec Sierra.
Good morning, approach Second City.
It's a good thing it dings loudly at you.
Leveling 6,000
You can just see it.
White plane.
Well, the autopilot...
568, New York, approach, Westchester, altimeter 3015. I missed it, you had Charlie?
Affirmative, we do have Charlie.
Alright. The autopilot kind of faulted out and it disconnected itself
Second City 568,
because it had an issue.
maintain 3,000.
And I pulled the circuit breaker on it and reset it, and it came back on eventually. Alright, what is the tower frequency? 118.8.
Cessna 0 Juliet Alpha, you're number 1, runway 19 or clear to land.
Clear to land, 19 or 0 Juliet Alpha. A little high and we're a little fast yet, but they can't be solved with the judicious flapperoos.
Turkey 80 Quebec, you should be on ground frequency. Turkey 2280 Quebec, tower.
Traffic.
Wind 270 at 3.
Oh, I see what I did when we took.
Man. Nicely done, sir.
Thank you.
Very nicely done.
This is 0 Juliet Alpha, Echo Ramp.
02 Alpha Victor, holding sort of 19.
Affirmative.
Cessna 0 Juliet Alpha, turn right Alpha and contact ground.
Right Alpha, contact ground, 0 Juliet Alpha. Republic ground, 0 Juliet Alpha is clear of 198 Alpha.
Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha, Republic ground, taxi to Echo V Alpha.
Echo V Alpha, 0 Juliet Alpha.